Welcome back. A common question we find is, do I need to wear my retainers after any orthodontic treatment? And the answer is yes. You know, the Invisalign retainers are an integral and important part of keeping that smile that you've worked hard to achieve. With anything in life, things are in flux, things are always changing, and that also goes for your teeth. Your teeth are constantly moving. You may not notice it from day to day, but if you were to take a photo of your teeth today and take it again, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you'll notice a lot of changes. So a retainer is critical to keep your teeth where you are happy with. Now, not only do retainers help keep your teeth where you are wanting them to be kept, but there's some side benefits as well. One side benefit is majority of the people tend to clench and grind their teeth while they're asleep, subconsciously. And that can create a lot of damage to your teeth, a lot of wearing, a lot of chipping, and sensitivity to the teeth. So by wearing clear aligners, the way that I designed them here at Dentist on Kingsway, they will help protect your teeth from clenching and grinding. Now, don't get me wrong, they're not like a night guard, but would you rather have a very big, cumbersome appliance that you have to wear at night, or would you rather have something that's form-fitted and sleek? So that is one side benefit, is that it helps protect your teeth from the negative effects of clenching and grinding. And then the third benefit that a lot of people don't know about, but we let our patients in on the secret, is you can actually use your retainers as whitening trays. Now, at the end of Invisalign treatment, we give our patients one take-home professional gel tube to whiten that smile that they are now so proud of. And you can actually use your retainers as whitening trays and just put some of that whitening gel in your trays before you go to bed and let the magic happen. And not only do you hold your teeth where you are happy with that beautiful smile, but you're actually whitening that beautiful smile of yours as well. So at Dentist on Kingsway, I see a lot of patients who have had previous orthodontic treatment, and for whatever reason, they haven't been really religious about wearing their retainers. And over time, they start to see a little bit of shifting here and there, and then, now it is a problem. And they regret not being compliant with wearing their retainers. And they come to see me, and their biggest regret is not wearing a retainer. So a retainer is like an insurance policy to keep your teeth where you have moved them to. Now, at Dentist on Kingsway, there's many types of retainers that you can get. But here in my office, I prefer to make you an Invisalign retainer. And they're quite often called Viveras. Now, let's try to get this in the right place there. You can see one of them, that's for the top. And where's the bottom one? Here it comes. So that's for the bottom. They're very similar to the clear aligners. They are virtually invisible, and they are, obviously clear, and they're custom fitted, form fitted to your teeth. And so they are really important to help keep your teeth where you've worked so hard to bring to. And again, like I mentioned, one of the side benefits is that they will help protect your teeth from the negative effects of clenching and grinding, as well as they can be used for whitening trays. So I always let my patients know, wear your retainers all the time, and there's a certain period of time after treatment that you'll need to wear your retainers day and night, and then eventually we'll get you to the point where you're wearing it just at night and every night, and we'll let you know when these retainers need to be replaced. Just like everything else in the world, nothing lasts forever. So there's going to be a period of time where you're going to need to get a new set of retainers, and we'll be more than happy to help you get that new set. Thank you.